Hello everybody. My website is called Happy Campers. The main purpose for my website is to promote volunteering and request donations to make it possible for youth in the community to attend and have a summer camp experience. The website provides an opportunity for people who want to help either volunteer or to collect items needed, or a link to donate funds that help purchase items the campers would need during the camp. I have added testimonials from parents and others who have benefited from this project and the positive impact on their child. The kids targeted to receive this support are potentially underprivileged and ones that may not have had the opportunity otherwise. I designed this website using colors that were nature-inspired and somewhat muted, so it made for easy viewing. I included images of kids at camp to show what activities they would participate in. I also wanted to show happy faces of those kids enjoying camp while being in nature. I also included an email form for people who wanted to get involved and other icons showing the progress for the project. I have links to various social media platforms so that you can follow the progress on whichever one you're on. I would say the thing I learned the most was how much thought and organization goes into the creation of a website. There are so many different customizations to think about, such as style, color, sizing, content. You want to be able to reach as many people as possible, yet make it simple enough for people to use. The most difficult part of making this website was understanding how to do the customization, finding the right ID or class name, and another part was taking your mock-up and making it on the website, how the differences are there, and I enjoyed this project. Thank you.